Laundry is expensive. If you've been to a laundromat lately, you know what I'm talking about. It costs $3 to $4 per load on average, and that adds up really quickly. Fortunately, we found some great free laundry hacks that can save you money. Okay, so before we get into all the details though, I'm gonna tell you something really super embarrassing. The first time my husband and I lived on our own, I had no idea how much laundry was going to cost. We had just moved into our first apartment, we didn't have a washer and dryer, I needed to buy a car, and the salesman asked me how much we could afford, and I stupidly told him, like an idiot, never do that. Anyway, I didn't leave any room for laundry expenses, and of course the salesman maxed out our budget, so that was a disaster. We had a baby at a time. Babies go through a lot of laundry. It was a really rough year trying to keep up with everything that year. And of course, I didn't know most of these hacks at that time, so now I'm going to tell you everything that I wish I had known back then. First, look for your local Laundry Love location. Laundry Love is an incredible program that works with a huge network of laundromats nationwide to make those machines available to low-income people for free. They have locations all over the United States, including in Hawaii. The only downside is that this service is limited to certain days of the week, sometimes certain hours in the day, and it can be really inconvenient. Second, look for a free dry laundromat. There are many laundromats around the United States that will let you use the dryers for free, usually if you pay to wash your clothes at that location. This can significantly drop the price per load, which can save you a lot of money. We have a list of free dry laundromats on our website at lowincomerelief.com. Third, if you have a child in school, you may be able to do laundry at the school itself. Many schools across the United States have found that they can reduce absences and keep their students healthier if they offer basic laundry services. I read a really interesting feature in the New York Times recently that described schools in Colorado, Kentucky, Missouri, and New Jersey offering these services. And I've also seen that this is spreading to other schools all across the United States. So if you're struggling to keep up on laundry or to afford that cost, check with your child's school. They may be able to help. And don't forget, anyone can call 211 to ask for free laundry resources in your area. It's a quick and easy way to find help. You might be connected with some laundry vouchers. We have information about that on our website. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more ways that you can save money and get free stuff.